When it comes to best web hosting for small businesses, you have to think about performance, space, and features. Please watch until the end to get a discount link for 70% off the hosting package you need. Okay, let's get to it. Before you buy hosting, remember to avoid the hole that many website owners fall into. Many website owners don't realize that they are not coders until they run into a problem. The hosting you choose should support the non-coders amongst us and should have 5 different things. Don't get this wrong, because you will save yourself so much frustration and time if you listen to this. The 5 things your hosting must have: reliable service with uptimes of 99%, a rich amount of installed features and programs already loaded just waiting to be used, great 24/7 support, cheap rates, and an intuitive dashboard that allows easy use. I have used so many hosting services, and by far the best hosting I have ever used is Fast Comet Hosting. Fast Comet meets every last requirement, and just look at this dashboard with one-click installation and access to many programs and supporting services. When you first build a website, you tend not to think of the additional things you will want to do in the future or the programs that will help you reach your goal. Fast Comet has collected a host of free features and programs that allow you to do just about anything you would like to do: WordPress, e-commerce, stats, themes, website builders, ticket system with responsive support, and much more is at your fingertips, and major bandwidth for plenty of traffic. Whether you need shared hosting, dedicated hosting, or VPS hosting, Fast Comet has it. Every hosting service is not the same. Choose the hosting that helps you achieve your goals as fast as possible without the frustration and confusion. The discount can be reached from the link located in the description below.